Guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sangeeta, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell below so that you get the update of my latest videos. So friends, Rakhi is near, and till now you have not bought any gift for your sister. Isn't it really confusing? So yes, if you are confused what should you buy for your sister, then you are in the right channel with me, because today I'm going to share you 6 gifts that you can give it to your sister and make her happy. So I have tried to keep it on the most affordable side so that it becomes easy for you people to get that gifts, and I have tried to give all the links of the products in my description box so that you don't have to go here and there to get the gifts. You can get it online. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So all the brothers out there, the first gift you can give to your sister on Rakhi is obviously a makeup product. Okay, I think 90% of the girls love doing makeup nowadays. So I think it's very clever to gift a makeup product to your sister, and it is definitely going to make her happy, because if my brother gives me a makeup product during Rakhi, I think it would be the most loveliest gift for me, because I love doing makeup and I love makeup products. So you can gift her a eyeshadow palette like this one, or you can gift a eyeshadow palette like this one. Okay, so you can gift her any makeup product. So if you are on a higher budget, you can gift her a bunch of makeup products, or you can simply gift her a eyeshadow or a lipstick or a blusher or a foundation, any one you like, and it is definitely going to make her happy. It is my word to you that it will make her happy if she loves makeup. So the first gift you can try it on your sister is obviously a makeup product. The second product which you can gift to your sister on Rakhi can be any accessory. Okay, you can gift her a ring, a bracelet, an earring, anyone. It doesn't matter that it is of diamond or it is of silver, because I think gift is a gift. Okay, and it is never judged by its price. It is always judged by how much you love her. So gift her a small ring or a earring, okay, or any accessory, a necklace or an anklet, anyone, and it is definitely going to make her happy. So the second thing which you can give to your sister during Rakhi is any accessory. Okay, and it is definitely going to make a third thing which you can give to your sister is obviously clothes. Okay, like it's girl's best friend. We never get bored of clothes, okay, as much as we buy. So if you buy something which she likes to wear, like if she has a good taste on an Indian side, then you can obviously gift her a kurti like this one. Okay, or if she is a t-shirt girl, you can obviously gift her a t-shirt like this one. So whatever she likes, if she wears sari, you can gift her a sari as well. Okay, so anything which she loves wearing is can bring a smile on her face. So the third gift that you can give to your sister is obviously clothes, and it is obviously going to make her happy. I know that, because all girl loves clothes. So yeah, you can try this another one thing or product which you can gift to your sister on Rakhi is a book or a novel. Okay, yes, I think all the girls must not be fond of makeup. Maybe your sister may not be fond of makeup. She might be what to say, a bookworm, or a what to say, bookaholic. I think I know this is a new word. Okay, but I know that most of the girls, they love reading. Okay, so you can just gift her a book or a novel. Okay, like this one. This is a new one. You can try this one if she loves book. Okay, so you can gift her a thing or a product which you can give to your sister is, I think this is on an emotional part. Okay, because it is a collage. Okay, or you can just gift her a frame which has your childhood pictures. Okay, or you can make a collage by yourself by taking out some old memories, your old pictures of you and your sister, and you can make it by yourself and gift it to your sister as well. And I think this is going to be one of the most special gift, because whenever like this clothes, this makeup products, other materialistic things, it is going to fade away with time. But if you gift her something like a collage or a frame which has a picture of you two, then whenever she looks at that picture, it will remind of you and those memories which you had together. So it's going to be a very, what to say, a very nostalgic and a very what to say, a very good gift to your sister during this Rakhi. So you should definitely try this one. Last thing which you can give to your sister on Rakhi is obviously chocolates. I know many girls, they love chocolate, they love eating chocolate, and nothing else makes them happy than seeing a pack of chocolate in front of themselves. So yes, you can make your sister definitely happy by gifting her a packet of chocolate. Okay, so yes, they can this can definitely bring smile on her face. Like, there are many girls who gets happy with makeup, who gets happy with books, who gets happy with clothes, but there are some girls who get happy with chocolates as well. They love chocolates. Okay, if they are not on a diet side. So yeah, you can definitely gift your sister a packet of chocolate, or simply a celebration which like Cadbury has brought nowadays, which is specially designed for Rakhi. You can gift that to your sister. And these are my six most what to say, on demand gifts on Rakhi. Okay, I think this will definitely help you out and sort out your confusion of what to gift your sister. Okay, so I hope definitely this is going to help you out. So if you liked my this suggestions of product what you should give to your sister on Rakhi, then definitely please do make me a part of that, and please don't forget to comment in the comment box. So till next time, it's bye bye. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do that. So till next time, it's bye bye. Happy Rakhi to all of you, and may the love between the brothers and sister exist forever. And yes, till next time, it's bye bye. Love yourself and stay beautiful, and meet you next time.